Welcome to our channel, where we strive to bring you the best tips and ideas for a healthy lifestyle. In today's video, we will focus on heart-healthy recipes that are not only good for your heart but also taste delicious. Recipe 1: Mediterranean salmon with roasted vegetables. This dish is packed with omega-3 fatty acids from salmon, antioxidants from vegetables, and healthy fats from olive oil. It's easy to make and perfect for a weeknight meal. Recipe 2: Turkey taco bowls with avocado crema. This recipe is a fun and flavorful way to get your veggies in. The ground turkey is seasoned with Mexican spices and topped with avocado crema, salsa, and your favorite taco toppings. Recipe 3: Lentil soup. This hearty soup is packed with protein and fiber, making it a great option for a filling and satisfying meal. It's also vegan and gluten-free. Recipe 4: Black bean burgers. These veggie burgers are a delicious and healthy alternative to beef burgers. They're made with black beans, corn, and spices, and they're grilled to perfection. Recipe 5: Roasted Brussels sprouts with bacon. Brussels sprouts are a great source of vitamins and minerals, and they're even more delicious when roasted with bacon. This recipe is simple but satisfying. Recipe 6: Quinoa salad with grilled chicken. This salad is a great way to get your protein and whole grains in. The quinoa is tossed with grilled chicken, vegetables, and a light vinaigrette. Recipe 7: Salmon with lemon dill sauce. This dish is elegant and simple, making it perfect for a special occasion. The salmon is baked with lemon, dill, and capers, and it's served with roasted vegetables. Recipe 8: One-pot pasta with sausage and kale. This dish is a great way to get a complete meal in one pot. The pasta is cooked with sausage, kale, and white beans, and it's seasoned with garlic and Parmesan cheese. Recipe 9: Chicken stir-fry with vegetables. This stir-fry is a quick and easy way to get your veggies in. The chicken is stir-fried with vegetables and a light sauce, and it's served over rice or noodles. Recipe 10: Roasted sweet potato black bean salad. This salad is a great way to get your fiber and antioxidants. The sweet potatoes are roasted and then tossed with black beans, corn, and a lime vinaigrette. Recipe 11: Quinoa stuffed bell peppers. This recipe is quinoa stuffed bell peppers. These colorful peppers are packed with vitamins and minerals while being low in saturated fats. Quinoa, a nutrient-rich grain, serves as a great base for a heart-healthy filling. Recipe 12: Salmon and avocado salad. Next, we have a refreshing salmon and avocado salad. Fatty fish like salmon are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been proven to promote heart health. Combined with avocado, known for its healthy fats, this salad is a perfect choice for a light and heart-healthy meal. Recipe 13: Veggie omelette with spinach and tomatoes. This recipe is a delicious veggie omelette with spinach and tomatoes. Eggs, when consumed in moderation, can be a part of a heart-healthy diet. Packed with protein and nutrients, this omelette is filled with delicious vegetables, such as spinach and tomatoes, providing the necessary vitamins and minerals for a healthy heart. Recipe 14: Mediterranean chickpea salad. Moving on, we have a Mediterranean chickpea salad. This salad is packed with the goodness of chickpeas, known for their high fiber content and ability to reduce cholesterol levels. Combined with colorful vegetables and a tangy dressing, this salad is a fantastic choice for a heart-healthy lunch or dinner. Recipe 15: Berry chia pudding. Last but not least, we have a sweet treat: chia pudding. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants, making them an excellent ingredient for a heart-healthy dessert. Combined with delicious berries, this pudding is not only satisfying but also good for your heart. Taking care of your heart starts with the food choices you make, so why not make them delicious and heart-healthy? Stay tuned for more exciting videos, and we'll see you next time.